What's up, everybody? Hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and to this second video of trade setups. Yeah, so let's just get right into it. This will be kind of like I have some new trades on Iotx, but we're also going over some new trades if you haven't watched the stream yesterday. Yesterday we did a stream in which we did some trading and looking for setups that we found like two new setups. One more or two more will also be in this video that I haven't done, that I found today. And we're also going over the trades from the last video. None of them entered, I believe, or one, the KNC one, but I don't think that was in the video. That was only on Twitter. So if you want to be updated on these trades and everything as soon as possible, follow me on Twitter. It's down in the description, but it's also Cilinix Crypto. Just add Cilinix Crypto. Apart from that, I trade on Bybit, has the lowest fees, a lot of pairs. I think it's good. If you want to trade and register on Bybit as well and be eligible for some bonuses, they always have some bonuses. Use the link down in the description. You can sign up, check which bonuses you are eligible to, and enjoy their free trades. I'm partnered with Bybit, just so you know. So if you register via my link and you start trading, I do get some money, just full disclosure. So if you don't want that, please just use a different platform or sign up through like no link, or just look up bybit.com. But yeah, so let's get right into it. So last video we had this trade here of ADA USD. That was a long shot. If that was going to hit, well, we would have been in a quite more bullish market. Didn't hit. It's not valid anymore. It's very, I mean, if we hit it right now or in the next day, it's still valid, but I don't think that will happen. So we're deleting that. Yesterday in the stream, we found this trade, which we missed with like, today we missed that with, oh, that's annoying. Just wanna show that we missed it by, I think, about 0.4%. It's not valid anymore. It was really a trade for like yesterday, because then this trend line and the 50 EMA actually lined up. Now we have already hit arguably the 50 EMA and that trend line, so most of the momentum is out of it. So I'm deleting that. That's not a new trade. That's not valid anymore. Then trade on XRP, those are still valid, those two levels, but they are more long-term trades. So if you want to pause the screen and get the details, you can just see the stop loss, which is red, entry point, which is gray, and the green one, which is the take profit. You can just pause the screen and note those things if you want to trade those, but you should know that the cliches are true, that this is not financial advice. These are the trades I'm taking. Thought it would be interesting to show them to you, but I monitor my trades quite a bit, and for myself I always instantly know whether they are still valid or not. You don't, and I am updating it on Twitter, but it's still risky. So just so you know, those are two still valid. KNC, we have nothing. I had this trade, but it didn't. Oh, it actually touched, but it didn't enter for me. But yeah, it was a great trade. Did I actually put it at that level? Now I'm doubting myself. I think I put it at this level. Don't think that actually touched. I don't think so. I dragged it down a little bit on accident, maybe. Don't think that touched. Ethereum, we have no new trades. Solana, we have a new trade. And the old trade, we didn't have any trades on it before, but we do have a new trade from yesterday in the stream. It's this one. So yesterday we were still down here. The entry point, again, you can see it right here. Now it's in white. It's 50.865. It's also on Twitter. If you just want to have the easy entries, stop loss and take profit, I also posted this on Twitter. But it's a simple break retest off of this level. Got a nice bullish move. If we drop down here at that entry, I think we can easily get this trade. I'm not going to name the entry, the stop loss and the take profit. You can just pause the video here and write it down. But it's a nice trade. It's a 2.21 or a 2.2 risk reward. A trade of 4%, 4% up for Solana at least. It's depending on how much you put into it, how much percentage you would like to gain. I think this is like a medium risk trade. I think it's a pretty good one. It's just a simple break retest. So unless any news event happens, yeah, well, I'll update on Twitter pretty regularly if anything happens throughout the market. But that's Solana. We have nothing on Jasmine. We had a trade like a sell limit right here. Barely missed that with like 0.002. That's not that's not bad. It's It's live, I guess. But we do have a trade on Iotx, basically 2. And it really is like, the first one is like this one. Here at 3 point, as you can see, 3435. You can again pause that with a stop loss. I was kind of, I'm not sure about the stop loss. I think a pretty tight stop loss would make it high risk, but then we can put this, the take profit right here. So this is the first trade. This is actually high risk for the next couple of days, but from the 24th of May, it will actually become medium risk, because then we also have this trend line. So I think this is a pretty nice trade. So it's also valid right now, but it's high risk. So just know that. Entry point at 0.03435. As you can see this, the take profit right there, stop loss right there. Risk reward of 2 exactly, which is great, but I didn't plan it that way. But yeah, risk reward is 2. Stop loss just under this level, but also under a small little key level down here, just so that we have another chance. So that's the first trade. That's a long trade, and then I also have a short trade, but that is not valid right now. That's only valid the 25th of May from 10 a.m. UTC plus 2. So remember that it's not valid right now, but it actually has to line up. So if this all lines up, the 200 EMA, the trend line, this is a pretty strong trend line, and a key level, then it's a short trade. Pretty tight stop loss. I'd set the stop loss not at 5 cents. I'd set the stop loss like, I don't know. Stop loss is pretty subjective from this one, because I think we can do something like this. So again, you can pause it, and it's that one. That one is the stop loss. Has a 2.5 risk reward. If you just want a 2 risk reward, if that is your strategy, you can just put it down here. That reduces the risk, but still think it's a great trade. Or we should do something like this. This is a better take profit, just above that 4 cents level, because 4 cents is a major psychological level, and this is less risky. So as I said, this starts the 25th of May, and then it is valid for, I'd say, like 2 days, but I'll update it then as well, either in a video, definitely on Twitter. So that's basically the video for now. New trading setups and some changes, some updates. So if you do have any questions about the video, if you have any things you think I could do better, because this is only the second video I'm making like this, please let me know. But yeah, that's basically the video. So thank you all for watching and for listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.